Stella on a short trip. They make a joke, but that's not how I live. That's the kind of thing people think about. Yes, you get slapped if you're working hard. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like elegant guy. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like, look at every guy with a stick on his eye. Yes, that's it, yes, that's it. Somebody please tell him to F like this. I am Nicki Minaj, and that can do ya. That coops up, telling you. Entrepreneur niggas in the mall go. Think about with the crew, he was so loud. When I think I like I'm better, we down loud. When I think I like I'm better, with the fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put the Mac on. He just gotta give me that look. When he give me that look, then the penny come out. He was speaking a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I'm sticking in eyes. I can tell that you're in touch with your feminist side. Yes, I did, yes, I did. Somebody please tell him to F-I-S. I am Nicki Minaj, and that can do ya. That coops up, and just so you know.